Hi guys, it's Andrew Zimble from Higgins Event Rentals. I just found this really cool tool in Excel that you guys could use for your catering if you're doing a proposal and you want to have pictures with the proposal. As long as the images are on your website, all you do is you go to the X up here, the formula bar, you choose image, and then you go to your website. I'm going to my um, photography website. Let's see. Doesn't matter what it is. Okay, so we'll just pick this picture here. You copy the image address, not the image, the image address, and then you paste it in, and then you put sizing is 0, which means fit into the box. There you go, and you've got it. Anyway, hope you think that's something useful. Take care. Bye.